Elon Musk has just dropped a bombshell. The new 2025 Model Y is set to debut at a price point that has never been cheaper, while still boasting feature-packed innovations. But how low are we talking? And what surprises does Tesla have in store to keep its competitive edge? From advanced battery technology to sleek design tweaks, this new Model Y promises to rewrite the rules of affordability and performance in the EV market. If you've ever dreamed of owning a Tesla, now might be your chance. But is it everything we've hoped for, or are there trade-offs at this shocking price? Stay tuned as we unpack all the details. And don't forget to subscribe to the Globally Cars channel. Your support is helping us inch closer to 2,234 subscribers, and we can't wait to bring you more exciting updates on Tesla's latest breakthroughs. 1. How could the Model Y 2025 offer a lower price? By adopting strategic decisions that focus on cost-saving innovations in production materials and technology, Tesla has made significant breakthroughs in offering a more affordable Model Y for 2025. Tesla's Giga casting innovation is a key reason for the reduced production cost and competitive pricing. The company uses large single-piece aluminum castings to replace multiple body parts that traditionally required separate manufacturing, welding, and assembly. One of the main elements that enabled Tesla's Giga casting is the development of a proprietary high-strength aluminum alloy. Tesla has pioneered the development of this alloy, which eliminates the need for heat treatment, preventing deformation during casting. This innovation allows for the creation of massive, high-strength single-piece castings, in which Tesla uses GigaPress machines capable of applying forces of up to 6,000 to 9,000 tons. In March 2024, Gigafactory Shanghai achieved a major milestone with 1 million cars exported. After a month, it continued these breakthroughs with the output of 3 million cars. Located in China, it benefits from access to a highly developed supply chain and local resources, significantly reducing raw material and transportation costs by up to 10%. Unlike traditional alloys that require heat treatment, Tesla's special alloy can be molded into large, intricate parts without losing strength. The use of fewer parts significantly reduces material costs. According to Reuters, Tesla's Giga casting process at its Shanghai plant has led to a 40% cost reduction in Model Y production. Tesla's ability to streamline manufacturing can eliminate around 370 components, removing traditional parts like crossmembers, brackets, and reinforcements, and replacing them with the integrated design of the structural battery and giga-casted body parts. This integration not only cuts down on part complexity, but also enhances structural integrity, improving safety and handling by lowering the center of gravity and increasing the torsional stiffness of the vehicle. As a result, the Model Y 2025 could be 10% lighter in weight, which can improve the vehicle's range by up to 14%. Tesla's Giga casting reduces production time for certain body components by up to 30%. While competitors like Ford and GM still rely heavily on multi-part assemblies that require additional welding and labor. This difference translates to a lower cost per vehicle for Tesla, enabling more competitive pricing for the 2025 Model Y. Have you got something new with Tesla's Giga casting? Share your thoughts below. Additionally, Tesla's adoption of lithium iron phosphate (LFP) batteries in the new Model Y is a major factor in its affordability. LFP batteries are less expensive to produce than the nickel cobalt aluminum (NCA) batteries used in some other Tesla models. Specifically, the cost per kilowatt-hour of LFP batteries is estimated to be around $90 to $110, which is lower compared to $220 to $230 for NCA batteries. This cost difference is primarily because LFP batteries avoid using expensive materials like nickel and cobalt, which are not only costly but also have a volatile supply chain. Moreover, LFP batteries are longer lasting, with a cycle life of approximately 3,000 to 4,000 charge/discharge cycles compared to about 2,000 to 3,000 cycles for NCA batteries. Tesla provides an 8-year or 120,000-mile warranty for its batteries. The durability of LFP batteries means they are less likely to fail within the warranty period compared to NCA batteries. This reduces Tesla's liability for replacements, repairs, and associated logistics, which lowers operational costs. These savings are factored into the lower price of the 2025 Model Y. Another manufacturing strategy that plays a critical role in reducing the overall costs of the new Model Y is Tesla's localized production strategy. By manufacturing vehicles in strategically located gigafactories, such as the facilities in Fremont, California, Austin, Texas, and Shanghai, Tesla eliminates the significant expense of international shipping and import tariffs, which can range between 10% and 25% depending on the destination. For instance, Gigafactory Shanghai enables Tesla to directly serve the Chinese and Asia-Pacific markets, cutting costs that would otherwise inflate vehicle prices by several thousand. So, do you think Tesla should focus more on refining gigacasting or enhancing its LFP battery technology for future models? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Comment 1 for refining gigacasting, or 2 for enhancing LFP battery technology. Reflecting these cost-saving innovations, the Model Y 2025 is expected to have a lower price point. The base rear-wheel drive variant starts at approximately $37,500 after the federal tax credit, making it one of the most affordable electric SUVs in its segment. The long-range variant is estimated to be priced between $43,000 and $45,000, while the performance version is expected to be priced around $50,000 after incentives. This price point stands out when compared to other electric SUVs, such as the Ford Mustang Mach-E and Volkswagen ID.4. The Ford Mustang Mach-E starts at $41,800 for its base RWD variant, while the Volkswagen ID.4 begins at a slightly lower price point of $41,600 for the base RWD version. 2. What discounts or promotion programs will the Model Y 2025 offer? With the introduction of the new 2025 Model Y, Tesla will consistently leverage discounts and incentives to make this model more accessible in the U.S. This model benefits from financing offers that make it more affordable for a broader range of consumers. One notable promotion might be Tesla's 0.99% annual percentage rate financing for purchases, which helps reduce monthly payments significantly. This makes the vehicle more accessible, particularly for buyers who prefer lower monthly payments. In detail, the long-range rear-wheel drive model would drop from $76 to $600 per month. Moreover, this model is poised to benefit from the U.S. federal tax incentive of up to $7,500 for electric vehicles. However, certain conditions must be met by the buyers. For the buyers, the most critical factor is income eligibility. According to current U.S. regulations, individuals must earn less than $150,000 per year to qualify for the full credit, while heads of household have an income cap of $225,000, and married couples filing jointly are capped at $300,000 annually. This ensures that the incentive is targeted toward middle and lower income households. To claim the full $7,500, the buyer must have enough tax liability. If the buyer's tax liability is lower than $7,500, the credit can only be applied up to the amount owed in taxes, with no carryover to future years. This means that buyers who owe less in taxes may not fully benefit from the credit. In terms of region, Tesla may offer various region-specific incentives and discount programs aimed at making the new Model Y more affordable across key markets like the US, Australia, the UK, China, and India. In California, where this model may have its highest concentration of buyers, additional incentives from local utilities like PG&E offer rebates for home EV charger installations, potentially up to $1,500 for a Level 2 charger. These rebates are designed to reduce the overall cost of EV ownership, making it more economical for consumers to transition to electric vehicles. Concerning Australian cities like Sydney and Melbourne, the Australian government provides various incentives, such as rebates and stamp duty exemptions, especially in states like New South Wales. In China, the government has also reflected their preference for using EVs, and this model would be incentivized through a mix of subsidies and rebates that offer up to $1,400 for EV purchases. Additionally, countries like India have begun to provide incentives for EVs, such as reduced goods and services tax and state-level incentives that could be extended to the Model Y 2025. Specifically, the GST on electric vehicles has been lowered from 12% to 5%, making this model more affordable for consumers. In line with the goods and services tax reduction, many Indian states offer additional state-level incentives that further reduce the price of EVs. These incentives can include subsidies for purchasing EVs, tax rebates, and exemptions from road taxes. For instance, states like Delhi, Maharashtra, and Gujarat offer state subsidies ranging from approximately $1,200 to $2,400, depending on the specific program. So, is it worth waiting for the new Model Y? The answer would be yes. Consumers have higher chances to enjoy more utilities at a more accessible price point, especially when combined with potential financial incentives. Tesla is constantly innovating, so the release of this model could incorporate improvements in LFP batteries as well as the newest Autopilot version 5 and FSD version 13. Moreover, favorable financing or incentive programs could potentially support the financial capacity of customers of low or middle income levels, effectively maximizing the value they receive for their money. The potential for greater value at a more accessible price makes waiting for a future Model Y variant a compelling option for many prospective buyers. A lower-priced Model Y could have a massive impact on the electric vehicle market. It's exciting to think about the possibilities. Do you wait for the new Model Y or consider buying the current Model Y? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video informative, please give us a like. See you in later videos. Stay tuned.